Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working with Tinashe hair, and I just want to say this box was so cute. I really liked the box. But when you first open up the package, you'll have a card with all of their information and instructions on how to treat the hair.
That's good.
So the wig that I received was a 200% density 22-inch 99J lace closure wig. It was not tangling and I didn't notice any shedding. Here is the wig construction. You had the 2 clips on the side, a clip in the back with adjustable straps, and the lace was transparent. As you can see, I was really excited about this install, so let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to be giving this lace closure wig a frontal effect. So we're going to make sure that we place the wig all the way over as close as possible to the ear so that we can get that sideburn baby hair effect that the frontal gives. Once it is in place, you're just going to cut off the lace and proceed to applying 3 layers of glue. If you've watched my other videos, you already know I only use 1 glue, and it will be linked down below. Once the 3 layers have dried clear, you're going to go ahead and press in that lace. And then proceed to sectioning out the baby hair.
That's good.
I'm going to go ahead and sew down the perimeter for extra security. Cause my girl likes to turn up and we can't have that wig flopping. Alright, so now that the wig is secured, we're going to go ahead and melt in that lace. We're using Got2b. I'm out of my Sebastian Shaper Plus, but Got2b also does the trick, and you want to tie it down with an elastic band. And y'all gotta excuse my sweaty, oily makeup. I had that makeup on all day. I was looking a little crusty, but I had just filmed my previous video, so if you have not watched that, make sure you watch it after you watch this one. Next, we're bringing out the hot comb so we can get everything nice and flat and molded into place.
That's good.
And voila, you see that? Melted, honey. Melted. So now we're going to just cut the baby hairs, curl them, swoop them into place. I'm going to add some layers into the hair, curl it, and y'all going to see the final look. Okay, so this is how I do my layers. I am not an expert at cutting. I still have a lot to learn when it comes to cutting, but this is just how I do the little layering that I do. I'm using my T3 curling iron. I always forget the size, but this is the T3 curling iron. Alright, so this is the final look. I want to thank Tinashe Hair for sending me this wig. It was gorgeous. The color was just cute on her, and it just came out really cute. Don't forget to check the description box down below for the link on this wig. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe.